Hello students, today in mathematics chapter number 3 addition and subtraction we will solve word problems. Problem set number 13, question number 1. Listen to the question carefully. The forest department planted 23,078 trees of kher, 19,476 of behada besides trees of several other kinds. If the department planted 50,000 trees altogether, how many trees were neither of kher nor of behada? In this question, total number of trees planted by a forest department is 50,000. From this 50,000, 23,078 trees are of kher and 19,476 of behada. We need to find out how many trees are of other kinds. See the solution. First we will write all the information given in the question. Kher trees 23,078, behada trees 19,476, other kind trees we will find out. So we will put question mark. Total trees planted altogether is 50,000. First we have to add kher tree and behada tree. After adding these two numbers, we will get the total number of trees of kher and behada. Then we will subtract this number from 50,000, the total number of trees planted altogether. So we will get the number of other kinds. Draw this table with the help of scale and pencil. First we will add two numbers, that is kher trees and behada trees. 23,078, 19,476. 8 plus 6, 14, 4 down, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 5 down, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 4 is 5. 3 plus 9, 12, 2 down, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. 42,554. This is the total of kher and behada trees. Now in the second box we will subtract the total number of kher and behada trees from the total number of trees planted. So the total number of trees planted is 50,000. We will write 50,000 and we will subtract 42,554, which is the total of kher and behada trees. 0 minus 4 not possible. We will borrow from 0. This is again 0, 0, 0, 5. So we will borrow from 5. This will become 4. This will become 10. We will borrow 1 from 10, so it will become 9. 10. We will borrow from 1 from 10, that is becomes 9. Again 10, we will borrow 1 from 10, 9. 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 2 is 7. 4 minus 4 is 0. The answer is 7,446. 7,446 trees neither of kher nor of behada. Question number 2. A city has a population of 37,04,926. If this includes 11,24,069 men and 10,96,478 women, what is the number of children in the city? In this question, the total population of a city is given, the population of men is given, the population of women is given. We need to find out the population of children, the number of children in the city. Solution: men population 11,24,069, women population 10,96,478, children population we need to find out. So we will put question mark. Total population of a city is given 37,04,926. First we will add population of men and women. Draw this box with the help of scale and pencil. Write unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, and then start writing the numbers. 11 lakh 24,069, 10 lakh 96,478, and we will add these two numbers. 9 plus 8, 17, 7 down 1 carry, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 4 down 1 carry, 1 plus 0, 1, plus 4, 5, 4 plus 6, 10, 0 down 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 9, 12, 2 down 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 0 is 2, 1 plus 1, 0. This answer is 22,20,547. This is the total of men population and women population. Now, in second box, again we will write unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now, the total population of a city is 37 lakh 4,926. First we will write that number, and then we will write 22 lakh 20,547, the total of men and women population, and we will subtract. 6 minus 7 not possible, borrow from 2. This will 16. 16 minus 7, 9. This is 1. 1 minus 4 not possible, borrow from 9. 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. 8 minus 5, 3. 4 minus 0, 4. 0 minus 2 not possible, borrow from 7. 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 2, 1. So the answer is 14,84,379. The number of children are 14,84,379 in the city. Question number 3. The management of a certain factory had 25,40,600 rupees in the labor welfare fund. From this fund, 12,37,865 rupees were used for medical expense. 8,42,317 rupees were spent on the education of workers' children, and the remaining was put aside for a canteen. How much money was put aside for the canteen? Here, a management of a certain factory had 25,40,600 rupees in their labor welfare fund. From this amount, 12,37,865 rupees were used for medical expenses, and 8,42,370 rupees were spent on education of workers' children, and the remaining amount they put for canteen. We need to find out how much money was put aside for the canteen. First we will write all the informations given. Solution: medical expenses 12,37,865, education of workers' children 8,42,317. Canteen, we need to find the amount of canteen, so we will put a question mark. Labor welfare fund is 25,40,600. First we will add these two amounts, medical expenses and the education of workers' children. 12,37,865, 8,42,317. Add 7 plus 5, 12, 2 down 1 carry, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11, 1 down 1 carry, 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 0 down 1 carry, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 2 plus 8, 10, 0 down 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2. Answer is 20,80,182. This is the total of medical expenses and education of workers' children. Now, in the second box, first we will write the total amount of labor welfare fund, that is 25,40,600, and then we will subtract 20,80,182, the total of medical expense and education of workers' children. When we will subtract this number, we will get the amount of canteen. 0 minus 2 not possible, borrow from 0. Not possible, borrow from 6. This 5. This will become 10. Borrow 1 from 10 is 9. This will become 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 8, 1. 5 minus 1, 4. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 8, not possible. Borrow from 5. So this is 14. 14 minus 8, 6. 4 minus 0, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. The answer is 4,60,486. 4,60,418 was put aside for the canteen. Question number 4. For a 3-day cricket match, 13,608 tickets were sold on the first day and 8,955 on the second day. If altogether 36,563 tickets were sold in 3 days, how many were sold on the third day? Here, for a cricket match, 13,608 tickets sold on first day, 8,955 tickets sold on second day, and 36,563 tickets were sold all together in 3 days. We need to find out the number of tickets sold on the third day. Solution: first day tickets sold 13,608, second day tickets sold 8,955, third day tickets sold, we need to find out total tickets sold in 3 days, that is 36,563. First we will add first day and second day tickets sold. 13,608, 8,955. 8 plus 5, 13, 3 down 1 carry, 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 5, 6, 6 plus 9, 15, 5 down 1 carry, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 8, 12, 2 down 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2. 22,563. This is the total of first and second day. Now in the second box, first we will write the total number of trees sold together in 3 days. 36,563. 36,563. We will minus 22,563. That is the total of first and second day. Subtract this number. 3 minus 3, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 2, 1. So the answer is 14,000. 14,000 tickets were sold on the third day. Write all the questions and solution in your notebook. Write one question on one page only. Write neat and clean. If possible, you can use second page also. Draw box with the help of scale and pencil. Write with good handwriting. All the best.